Do you find it hard to stay consistent with your workouts, no matter how much you try? We've all been there, starting strong, feeling motivated, but eventually slipping off track. What if I told you that staying consistent isn't about willpower, but about the right strategies? In this video, we'll uncover the top 5 ways to stay consistent with your workouts, so you can make fitness a regular part of your life and achieve long-lasting results. Ready to finally turn your fitness goals into a consistent habit? Let's dive right in. 1. Schedule workouts like appointments. One of the best ways to stay consistent with your workouts is to schedule them like any other important appointment. Treat your workout time as a non-negotiable event in your day, much like a meeting with a client or a doctor's appointment. By setting a specific, consistent time each day, you are far more likely to build a strong habit and stick with it. It's all about making your workouts part of your daily routine, so it becomes second nature. The key here is consistency. If you can get into the habit of working out at the same time each day, your brain will start expecting it, and it will become harder to skip. For example, if you choose to work out in the morning before work or school, after a while, you won't even have to think about it, it will just be something you do. You'll also be more likely to reschedule your workout if something unexpected comes up, rather than just skipping it altogether. This consistency also helps your body adapt to the routine. Over time, your energy levels will improve, and you'll notice that you don't have to spend as much time mentally gearing up for the workout. You'll be more inclined to work out regularly because your brain will recognize it as part of your day, just like eating or brushing your teeth. So, grab your calendar or open your scheduling app, and treat your workouts with the same level of importance as any other commitment. 2. Start small and build gradually. Another key to staying consistent with your workouts is to start small and build gradually. It can be tempting to go all in when you first start, trying to make up for lost time or hoping for fast results. But trust me, starting with small, achievable goals will set you up for long-term success. When you start too aggressively, you run the risk of burnout, injury, or just plain frustration, which can lead to you giving up altogether. Begin with a manageable number of workout days per week. For example, start with 2 to 3 days of exercise per week, and gradually add more days as you get stronger and more comfortable. By beginning with small goals, you're less likely to overwhelm yourself. You can gradually increase your workout intensity and duration over time. This gradual approach allows your body to adjust, build endurance, and reduce the risk of injury. Additionally, starting small also allows you to celebrate each little victory along the way. Every time you hit a milestone, like completing a full week of workouts or running for 10 minutes without stopping, you build confidence and momentum. You'll feel more motivated to keep going, and it won't feel like such a big burden. Slow and steady wins the race, and this approach helps you stick with it for the long haul. 3. Find activities you actually enjoy. Exercise doesn't have to feel like a chore. In fact, one of the best ways to stay consistent with your workouts is to find activities you genuinely enjoy. When exercise feels fun, it's much easier to stick to it. Many people get discouraged because they're forcing themselves to do workouts they dislike, thinking they have to do them in order to lose weight or get fit. But here's the thing: exercise should be something you look forward to, not dread. If you're constantly pushing yourself to do something you hate, you're setting yourself up for burnout. Start by experimenting with different types of exercise until you find something that excites you. Whether it's dancing, hiking, swimming, or even rock climbing, the possibilities are endless. If you enjoy what you're doing, you'll naturally want to do it more often. For example, if you love being outdoors, hiking through scenic trails might be your perfect workout. Or, if you've always loved dancing, why not try a Zumba class or a dance workout video? The more fun your workouts are, the more you'll look forward to them, and the easier it will be to stay consistent. Also, don't be afraid to mix things up to keep things interesting. You don't have to stick to just one type of workout. You can alternate between different activities based on how you feel that day or what sounds fun. The more variety you add to your workout routine, the less likely you are to get bored. Mixing it up not only keeps things fresh, but it also helps challenge different muscles and improve your overall fitness. So, find what excites you, and make it a part of your weekly routine. When you enjoy what you do, consistency becomes a breeze. 4. Get an accountability partner or community. Staying consistent with your workouts is so much easier when you have someone to keep you accountable. Whether it's a friend, family member, or even a workout buddy, having someone to check in with can make a huge difference. Accountability partners not only provide motivation, but they also make working out more enjoyable and social. When you have someone to share your fitness journey with, it creates a sense of camaraderie and support that can help push you through even the toughest days. Having someone to work out with creates a sense of responsibility. You're less likely to skip a workout when you know someone else is depending on you. It's easy to talk yourself out of a workout when you're alone, but when you have an accountability partner, you're more likely to show up. Plus, working out with someone else can make it easier to push yourself a little harder, whether it's running an extra mile, lifting heavier weights, or trying a new challenging exercise. You can also celebrate each other's progress and share milestones, which creates a positive, supportive atmosphere that helps you both stay motivated. If you don't have a workout partner, consider joining a fitness group or class. Many people find that participating in group fitness classes, whether it's yoga, running, cycling, or even martial arts, increases motivation and boosts accountability. The group dynamic helps you push through tough workouts, and the social aspect can make exercise feel less like a chore. The sense of community and shared energy can make your workouts more enjoyable, turning fitness into something fun and rewarding, rather than something you feel obligated to do. 5. Focus on how you feel, not just results. One of the biggest reasons people struggle to stay consistent with their workouts is that they focus too much on the results and too little on the process. While it's natural to want to see changes in your body, focusing solely on the scale or the mirror can lead to frustration and burnout. The truth is, fitness is not just about the physical transformation, it's also about how exercise makes you feel in the moment. Instead of fixating on weight loss or muscle gain, focus on the immediate benefits you feel after a workout. Notice how you feel more energized, how your mood lifts, and how stress levels drop. These are the real rewards of exercise, and they'll motivate you to continue. In fact, people who focus on how they feel after a workout are more likely to stick with their routine because they experience immediate positive feedback, which helps reinforce the habit. Also, remember that the mental benefits of exercise are just as important as the physical ones. Exercise can be a great way to clear your mind, improve your self-esteem, and reduce anxiety. By focusing on these feel-good aspects, you'll keep coming back for more, which is key to maintaining consistency. Celebrate the mental and emotional victories, not just the physical ones, and you'll create a healthier, happier relationship with exercise. There you have it, 5 effective ways to stay consistent with your workouts. Remember, it's not about perfection, but about creating habits that fit into your life. Schedule your workouts like appointments, start small, find what you love, get an accountability partner, and focus on how great you feel after each workout. If you take these steps, staying consistent with exercise will become second nature, and the results will follow. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more fitness tips and motivation. Let me know in the comments, which tip are you most excited to try to stay consistent with your workouts? I'd love to hear your thoughts and any strategies that work for you.